guys.
Rich.
I got you some
What are those?
some clothes. They're clothes, so we can go out.
So where you
Me
do
no
that?
me no want that.
So people can let you in places, so we can go places.
Me no.
Here, look.
Hey, me like
Here.
this. Nice.
Here, no, here.
But-
Here's some clothes.
Nice.
Okay, and then we can go places. We can go to Brazil. We can
Is
go
who
anywhere.
for clothes them ya?
Yeah, you have to put them on. You have
Them
to
on,
change.
Them smell nice, man.
Yeah. Me,
Yeah, man.
me like this.
No, man, where for you want them?
And shoes.
Shoes. Mm-hmm.
Go put them in my bag, you know.
Yeah,
When I go on my show, see
I
them.
tell them, yeah, see a bad man. Don't me not show see me. I show three. Cause three I like them. Yeah.
But you know,
No, you have to put them on.
Put them on.
Yeah. Put the pants on.
Oh. Like
Mhm.
put it on so.
Yeah.
Me I put
Oh.
on my own.
Here, give me. Don't put it on inside out like your other shirt. No, you have
no.
to take off your shirt.
look here.
Yeah. It's
No,
nice.
wrong
It's
foot, wrong
nice.
foot.
It's nice.
Wrong foot.
Wrong foot.
What you mean wrong foot?
Take them off.
No, man, me don't want
Take
to
it
take them off.
I'll put them back on. Like this.
Oh. So me I put on.
Oh, wrong side.
So I saw me for put on it.
Turn it off. Turn it around.
You get too much trouble. Me I go on at the
Take
back.
those off.
And Bush will tell me what to do.
No worry yourself,
No,
man.
your shirt.
Me not dash away.
We'll just keep it. We'll keep it. Okay,
Me I
it's
go
safe.
come back
It's
for you,
safe.
yeah?
It's safe.
Me I come back for you. Don't worry yourself, you know. Me can't see.
Put your arms in.
So
Oh my God, you're like a baby. Here.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. Me no like it smell. It smells stink.
No, it's nice. You just don't like clean, dirty.
Me
Now
no
take-
dirty, me clean.
Okay. Whatever you say. Take those off.
Take off this too.
Yeah, take off. I hope he has underwear on. You have underwear on?
Surprise.
Woo! Okay, good. Take them off. This way.
This way. So.
Legs inside.
Oh, so.
Where's Skinny? Billy. Where's Billy?
My name is Skinny, you know.
Yeah, you're skinny, I know. Oh, look.
Yo.
Yo, Billy.
Yo,
Good.
man.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
We are
Come
got
on.
Brazil. We are got Brazil, you know.
What you talk about?
Yeah, we are got Brazil.
Yeah,
Then we go
man.
Canada. Yeah.
Me and see us here Jamaica.
No. Where we are go? See us stay. See tell be alive. See enough we go Canada.
No, me and see have great
Put your
plans.
clothes on, bit
So I
Skinny.
Cause he tell me that fish are go rain from the sky.
Yeah. But we can't carry Maggie fish. Maggie fish stink. Yeah, Maggie fish stink. No, carry Maggie fish.
No, we're not going to take fish to Canada or Brazil.
Fish there, Brazil.
They have fish in Brazil. We don't need to take any.
Me got Brazil. Yeah.
Me know where want go Canada. Cause me a watch my TV and me a go see. Me a see Bibi for my TV.
Yeah. No. Me.
What do you do me a watch me TV and Maradona come on funny.
I'm Pele.
Maradona's from Argentina.
Yeah, but me watch him for my TV and in the pile Pele.
Pile.
Yeah,
Billy, what is pile?
Yeah, what is that?
he throw a ball over his head so he drop off over here so.
Maradona?
And throw it so and run with it.
Yeah.
Oh.
You remember when me and you went the right at the window, the little hole, you remember the little bee in the hole?
I see man. I see woman lie down by ground. So And the man dey on it, so them a play ball too, them a play.
Yeah.
The man have 2 ball. Yeah. And me see the woman a play with the 2 ball them so. And she lift up the 2 ball them.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then
Wait. What that call? When one man and one woman naked.
Adam and Eve. Yeah.
No, remember we did there at the church and then they will say that Adam and Eve wear clothes.
Then Adam and me now wear no clothes.
Well, we wear clothes now.
Me now wear
No. You wear clothes. You wear clothes.
But
Now you wear
more be
clothes.
Adam and Eve.
We're not in Adam and Eve. We're not in the Garden of Eden. No. You have to wear clothes. In the airport, they won't let you travel without clothes. You gotta wear your clothes.
Me a
You
wear
go
clothes. Me a go Brazil.
Go on.
Yeah, come to.
No.
And stay alone and stay.
Me a stay with C. You go on, me stay with C. Me no have no time for go to Brazil. When me can ask C about Brazil, cause C tell me what I want about Brazil.
Nice. Yeah, man.
What you do, me see one man put on one shirt just like that, and the police then come lock him up feet.
A film shirt.
Same shirt, police and thief here off a line.
Yeah. And enough. Oh. 3.
All right, we're going to Saab. Let's go.
You can't talk to every tree you see. That tree when you go up to see.
Let's go to Saab.
3
We're
like
gonna
it.
go to Saab. Let's go.
3
Come
say me
on.
look nice and handsome.
Come on, Billy.
Son tell me say,
Skinny.
me look
Let's go.
white like the clothes.
Let's go. We're
Come
going
on,
to Saab.
Billy. We
Okay.
are going south, Billy.
Yeah.
Come on.
No.
Saab.
Get in the car. We're gonna drive. Yeah, here.
We are going to drive.
Yeah.
Oh,
Let's drive.
you remember car when you see in I see, and you when you see that
Yeah. Hey,
Yeah.
Billy. You should drive, Billy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Drive, Billy?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, me see.
Billy can drive, you know.
Billy can drive?
Yeah.
Billy can drive.
One time we built one. I will wear you the sun.
The sun we use.
Yeah, and
All
the
right,
leaf.
listen. You can drive the rest of this road to prove to me that you know how to drive.
Yeah, Billy can drive.
If
Drive
I say
good.
stop right there, you have to stop, and I'm gonna drive.
Billy, you
All
can
right.
do it, Billy. I believe
Come
in you,
in.
Billy. Hold on, Billy. Hold on up here. Eat that, you know. But tell us you know no sense. If you have sense, man,
But you know how?
you have to open it like this, Billy. You have
Oh.
sense.
How are you gonna drive if you can't open the door?
Billy can drive. Trust
Are
me.
you sure?
Trust me, Billy can drive. I'm very confident. Billy, stop
Get
the
in the car,
ramping, Billy.
Billy.
You play too much. Billy, you can do it, you know, Billy. Drive. Billy, you must drive fast.
Fast.
Straight to
No,
Brazil.
not fast. Slow.
See one for some now.
Come. Come, Billy. Come, Billy. Drive, Billy.
No, Skinny,
Drive.
get in the car.
Drive fast to Brazil.
Skinny, get in the car.
Oh, me.
You're going to
Oh, me go to Brazil.
Yeah. Get in the car. We're going to stop. Oh shit.